Hello, welcome to my channel. If you're new here, don't forget to subscribe and like the video. In this video, I'm going to unbox my first ever Apple Watch. So this is how it comes. It is Series 8. It has silver aluminum case. It has white sport band and it is 45 mm. So let's unbox it. It is £419 at the moment in Apple shop, and also you can get this product in Amazon. I'll leave the link on the description box below. If you buy, you support my channel, but there is no any additional charges added to your payment. So yes, so this is how it is. Sorry, just needed a little bit of tea of water. So this is how it is. So yeah, so I've never had Apple Watch before. So this is how it comes, and I really don't know what's in here. So there is, I think these are the bands. So it has sport band. I think this one. So I have these. So I'll unbox each and every one. Well, I'll transfer everything to my table. So this is everything that came with it. So I have this one here, and I have this one here, which I believe is there. It's the watch itself. Yes. So I'm going to start with this one. I'm going to start with this. Oh, this is manual. Then I think this is the charger. But to be honest, this is the charger. But I have another Apple charger that I'll be using. Oh. I'm really trying to figure this out. How do they even come out? How did they come out? I'm not even sure if I did it right. This is how this one is. Oh, that's nice. So that is one brace. Am I supposed to remove all of them? That's another one. I don't know what this is. Oh, this is for small and medium race. I think so. This is for small and medium, and this is for medium and large. So this one is for medium and large. I'm going to try the small and medium one. Small and medium. This one here. going to try the small and medium. Then this is the watch itself, and this is the normal. Oh, look at that. Look at that, looks like. Nice. Ooh, that's it. That's nice. I'm just touching it. So let's see, how do you turn it on? Yes, now we have it. Let me turn it on and see. So this is what it's telling me. Oh, my battery is low. Let me charge it a little bit, then I'll come back again. Pairing this watch to my phone took so long, very long, like more than 30 minutes. So yeah, so this was the processing, this was pairing process, then there you go, it accepted my phone, but still I had to wait for it to pair completely. So you can choose if you want, if you're putting your watch on your right wrist or on your left hand. That's what I was doing. Then you continue with the signings and doing other things. It's all done, and I must say, pairing this watch to my phone took a lot of time. It did take a lot of time. So yeah, so this is how to put it on, because this is one thing I also struggle with. I didn't even know how to put it on. So this is what you do. See how I've just put it. Then you take this other strap over here, then you go and put it on where you want your wrist to be, this way. Then you just strap it in here. So I hope that makes sense for you, but this is how it is with me. So why do you need to choose, why Apple, why Series 8 watch? So according to Apple, this watch here has temperature sensing for deeper insight into women's health, and also it can detect crash. So if you are involved in a very bad accident, it can actually detect it and can call so it can also detect crash, so crash detection to get help in an emergency, which is very good. It also It also enhances workout apps. So when I was doing the setup, it tells me to set up the workout and stuff. So this is a very good watch. I've not used it. I'm going to try using it for the first time, and there's nothing much I can say. There's nothing much I can say, to be honest, at the moment, because I'm still figuring out how to use it. I'm still figuring out how to use it and how to do everything with it now, because it's like using an iPhone for the first time. So for this watch, I'm going to use it and see how it goes. So if you want to strap it, to put it on, this is how you put it on. You come this way, hopefully you see, then you take this one over here, this, then you this here, this one, you put it on like this, then you take this one remaining outside, put it on here, then you have it. So I'm still going to figure out even how to use it and stuff. I'm still going to figure out how to use it, setting up, then yeah, we'll see how it goes, but it looks like a very good watch. Remember, I have the small, medium, the small one, this one over here. Okay, so I'm still going to figure out how to use this watch, to be honest. I don't know anything about it at the moment, because it's like using, well, it's like using iPhone for the first time. So this was after a few days of using this watch, and I realized that you can change how or what color you want your watch to look like. So there are different colors and you can blend them all together, and you can also change, you can say I was just trying to figure out which one I like. Then you can also change the face of the clock the way you want it to be, either in Roman numbers or just on the standard watch numbers. So depending on what you like, you can choose what you like and what best suits you. And I find this fantastic, with the fact that you can choose what you like, unlike other watches which come with the standard. You can't choose anything else with them. And I also realized that it helps you a lot with workout. So let's say if you want to do 2,000 steps, you can set it on your phone. You can set it, then it will show you, or it will tell you when you are halfway to 2,000 steps. So I find it's so good for exercising. I'm still just figuring out. So this is how the face looks like. You can see everything. Well, this was after days of using this phone. I didn't even know how to get here. After using the watch, I mean. Then yes, and I finally know how to use it. So this is what I was trying to show you. You can set how many kilometers you want to walk, then it will be showing you, it will be alerting you. So there is you can do indoors or outdoor swimming, everything with this watch. Everything is on there. Oh, that's my Spotify. My daughter was actually listening to the whales on the bikes. Yeah, that's all. And you can also check your temperature. It has a lot of things that you can check on Apple website. Thank you so much for watching. If you haven't subscribed, don't forget. Bye bye.